Hi, I'm Jessica, one of the co-founders at Cardsetter. So what makes Cardsetter different than other website platforms? Well, many of Cardsetter's customers are heavy content creators. So they're online publishers, bloggers, podcasters, or businesses who really see the value in using website content to promote and grow their business. And while Cardsetter is different from other website platforms in many ways, two key features really stand out for these content creators. The first and most important feature is Cardsetter's modular approach to organizing content. Customers who use Cardsetter can do more with their content in less time. With Cardsetter, you can group and arrange your content on the fly however you want. That means you can take content that's old and new of any publish date and of any content type, so articles, videos, events, and more, and organize that content together anywhere on your website. So for example, if you're a podcaster, you can make new landing pages of episodes around a specific topic. Doesn't matter what the air date was of those episodes. If you're a publisher, you can make helpful listicle articles that contain other articles. And content marketers can group all of their best content on a specific topic into a brand new resource for their readers. The ultimate flexibility that Cardsetter provides is what gets our customers really excited. Second, Cardsetter customers just want to create their content, connect with their audience, and focus on generating revenue. So they don't want to spend a lot of time fussing with their website. With front-end editing and a drag-and-drop interface, Cardsetter customers can forget about messing with a clunky or complicated backend and focus on what they do best, creating great content. Cardsetter includes everything you need to power your content-centric website and nothing you don't.